of the filters. We all know there's a filter in here, but did you know there's also a filter in here? I'm going to show you how to change those right now. So, or clean them. First one, we take this out. You need to get a small flathead screwdriver. All we're going to do is, sorry, I've done this plenty of times before, slip it just under here, pry this up like that, and then once you remove this, you'll see in here this one's quite clean, but normally these are very full of gunk. Clean this right out. Once this is clean and dry, put this back on. This will stop your Dyson from pulsing. If your Dyson is pulsing, that's normally the problem. It is an indicator that the filter is clogged and the motor is pulsing because you can't get enough air over it to keep the motor cool. So now I'm going to show you how to change or clean the filter in the back here. For this, you're going to need a small Phillips screwdriver. There's one small screw here. This is the battery retaining screw. Make sure this is undone properly. With that undone, you should then be able to remove the screw. I'm going to use a plastic pry tool, much better. In a second, you will see this will just pop. There we are. Once you've got that done, and there we are. There is your second filter that you need to clean. As you can see, this one is extremely dirty. There's actually two filters just inside here, and you will see in a second that's how dirty that one is. All you need to do is just wash these out in water, and there you go. So that's the second filter in the back of the Dyson you need to clean. And what I'd recommend is getting yourself a paintbrush, a dry paintbrush. And in the back of here you see how much dirt is actually inside here. You really need to give this a good brush. You can see just how much dirt is in the back of this. So all you need to do, and you can reassemble your Dyson and it should stop pulsing. The other thing you can do, I'll show you another trick. You can pop the bin off. Double click the bin. You can see just inside here, see this little white tab. If you get your screwdriver and just push this tab in. Once you push the tab in, push on the side of the Dyson and again on the other side. This is very simple to clean. You can get this and give it just a really good bang and run it under the tap if you want to. This machine is pretty clean. I can see inside here already. It's not that bad. But get yourself a plastic tool or your flathead screwdriver. Come in here. You can see there is a indent just there. And all you're going to do is run this around here, just like so, and you'll see it just pops off. And there we go. Are you ready to see what comes out of this? Not so bad. So there you go. If you want to, you can run this under the tap, get your paintbrush, just brush it all out. This machine's really not that dirty, so this just needs a good brush out and a good knockout. So yeah, pretty clean inside. And then just give this part here a brush. So there we are. There's your back part, your filter, your bin, the machine, your rear filters, and then you'll need to just cut this with a pair of scissors. I've just done a video showing you how to repair your brush bar if it's not working. So if yours is having problems, there was lots of hair in here, I'll show you how to remove all of that hair and make sure this brush bar is running 100%. So you can watch that video. So that's all of the parts of a Dyson, just there on the, as you can see. So now we shall reassemble them. Show you just how quick and simple this is, the reassembly. Just line that up there, and then give it a push. You'll hear it, as you can see, click back on. So that's that part. Come back over to your, put the top in first, clip the bottom in, it's the bottom in. With the bin, make sure these contacts here are clean. You can run this bin under the tap. There is no problem with washing this bin out under the tap. Clip this on here, give it a push, close the bin, put the filter back in, up, and there we go. Once that's been washed, I will then reinstall that back into the back pot. Like I said, if you want to see that video, I'll show you on that other video how we did that. I'm going to reinstall this back into the back pot, and once it's all washed, and then this machine will be running hunky-dory again. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the Dyson V6. I'll show you how to replace the battery, how to remove the back, how to fix the brush bar if it's not working, everything and anything you could want to know about the Dyson V6, V7 and V8. All the common problems like them pulsing. Even got a video showing you how to fix the bottom of the dustbin if it falls off. So I really do cover everything in the playlist, which you can check out just here right now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if this video helped you out, and comment below if there's anything you want to know about your Dyson